Achieving happiness is no easy act, but it's something we all strive for. Our first step to make yourself happy might sound trivial at first, but bear with us. Achieving happiness can be as simple as taking 10 deep breaths. Remember why you're doing those things that are making you feel stressed, whether that be work, obligations, or something else. It is crucial to achieving that inner zen we all crave. All you need is 2 minutes in a quiet space where you can take the time to breathe, let go of all your worries, and we guarantee you'll feel rejuvenated for the day ahead. It's a glitch for a reason. A smile can spread like wildfire. If you take the time to smile every day, you may just find that small moment of positivity affects your entire day, and even the way others see you. Take a positive outlook on those small daily struggles, and you might just find they're not as stress-inducing as you first thought. You've probably done it yourself without realizing, but most humans' perceptions and reactions of a person happen the moment they see them. Another piece of advice to make yourself happy is to appreciate yourself more. As a society, we no longer wait for others to appreciate us, but rather appreciate ourselves and acknowledge how far we've come. Many of us remain stuck in the mindset of personal or professional competition with others, not recognizing the achievements we've made, but measuring our own successes against others. Some may even suffer some imposter syndrome, doubting their own abilities and labeling themselves as a fraud. Appreciating yourself can be as simple as deciding you are worth being valued. Similar to previous advice, meditating is one of the key ways of helping to reset your mind and make yourself happy. It allows you to sort through your thoughts in a calm and non-judgmental manner, and even helps you leave your problems at the door for a short while. Meditation has also been said to inspire your creative side and problem-solving skills as well as allowing you to sleep easier without those intrusive thoughts keeping you awake at night. Spending 20 minutes a day in a quiet space focusing on your breathing will help negative thoughts dissolve and encourage you to focus better when returning to the tasks at hand. With so many things being accessible at the touch of a button, it's easy to take advantage of what's at your fingertips. Take a day to leave the confines of your house and go outside. By spending the day with a friend, or simply take a walk with a family pet through the park and enjoy the sights. Even just a few minutes of fresh air has been proven to brighten your day and can make yourself happy. Therefore, going outside allows you to physically take yourself away from those stressful situations until you're in a better frame of mind to deal with them. Whether you're the type of person who'd enjoy hiking up Mount Snowdon or a short walk through the streets on your lunch hour, we completely recommend exercise as the fuel for your overall happiness. Exercising isn't just for the physical benefits of maintaining a healthy body, but it also affects your mental health. Most of us would rather not do it, but you can't deny the feeling of complete satisfaction knowing you've spent half an hour or an hour sweating it out. Learning isn't just for school or university. We're all constantly learning new things whether we realize it or not. It's just a part of life, and it shouldn't be something to shy away from. Learning a new skill or subject is always beneficial, and you never know when it might be of use. With everything becoming so available on mobiles in recent years, it can be easy to sink into those obligations and create more stress for yourself. Answering work or university emails is made all the easier with smartphones, so it's important to spend time away from temptations and unplug. Read a book. Some find it incredibly satisfying to curl up with a good book in hand and get lost in a fictional world. Reread one of your favorites or explore a new adventure. Lastly, within our guide to make yourself happy is helping others. Sometimes this can be as simple as getting your course made a cuppa when you visit the campus cafe. A little kindness can go a long way to achieving that happiness we all crave. Think about this for a second.